Lot number 107 is a 2018 Dodge Durango SSV. This unit is charcoal gray with black interior. It's got dark tinted windows. The paint is nice. It's got a nice color. It's got a few scratches here and there, but it looks pretty good all around. All right, the front headlight, the passenger side has condensation. The other one is clear. The motor is a 3.6 liter V6 engine, which it could use a tune-up. As you can see, it has a little shake, but it's not misfiring on any cylinders at all. It's running nice. It revs up good, but a tune-up would do good for it. The motor sounds good. I'll rev it up for you in a second. The bad part about this vehicle is that the transmission in second gear is slipping. First gear engages and it's got a lot of power. I drove it in the parking lot and it drove nice in first gear, but when it goes to second, it chirped and I felt like it slipped. So I'm gonna say the transmission is bad, but the motor is good. The body is really nice. It's straight. It's got the nice aluminum wheels. And it's got the Goodyear Wrangler tires. Very good looking. All the tires have a lot of tread. The roof is nice. Never had a light bar or anything like that. This unit never had lights in it, so there's no damage to the interior from screw holes or anything like that. In the back, looks good. Right here on the bottom, on this bumper cover, I see a little tiny damage there, but that's barely visible. Do you see it now? Nope. All right, it's got the reverse sensors. It's got a reverse camera as well. Like I said, the body is straight and it does look good. All right, let me show you the inside. The seats are good. No rips or tears. Passenger side seat looks good. Center console's nice. It's just dirty inside and needs a good wash. The steering wheel is nice. The dash is good. Door panels look good. It's got power windows, power locks, cruise control, even power seats. Let me show you the back seat. The back seat looks good. This unit does not have a third row seat, okay? It's a cargo area. I'm gonna show it to you. There's no third row seat. All right, the door panels look good. I showed you the headliner. Let me show you the dash. Looks nice. All right, let me rev up the engine. All right, the AC is not blowing cold. Oh, it is blowing cool, yeah. And now it's blowing cold. Let me check the compressor, make sure it's engaging, because it feels cool now and it's not cool out here. It's hot. Let me see. The AC compressor is engaged, so that means the AC is working. The AC compressor right there. AC compressor is working. AC is engaging. It's not as cold as I would like it. You know, I like it really cold, but it is working. Yep, it is blowing cold. All right, the check engine light is on. Let me rev it up for you so you can hear it. I don't know, can you hear it? Let me turn on the AC down. All right. It revs up hesitant, but if I put it in drive, it goes. The motor is good. You may need to tune it up, check it out. It's got the check engine light on. These cars have a lot of sensors, and it could be so many little sensors that oxygen sensor, coolant sensor, anything sensor. There's a whole bunch of them. So get it checked out by a mechanic. But I can tell that by looking at the condition, it's in very good condition, pretty good condition. Just needs a good cleaning inside. and the transmission. Okay, so that's it. Good luck.